Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing one of the most popular diets around, the keto diet. Whether you're looking to lose weight or improve your overall health, the keto diet has become a go-to option for many. But is it right for you? In this video, we'll explore the benefits and potential drawbacks of the keto diet and give you some tips to make it work for you. The keto diet, short for ketogenic diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has gained a lot of attention in recent years due to its potential health benefits. The primary goal of the keto diet is to put your body into a metabolic state called ketosis, where it begins to burn fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. In this video, we will provide an overview of the keto diet, including its benefits and potential risks, as well as some tips for getting started. What is the keto diet? The keto diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, and very low carbohydrate diet. It is similar to other low-carb diets, such as the Atkins diet, but the keto diet is unique in that it requires you to severely restrict your carbohydrate intake to between 20 and 50 grams per day. By doing so, you force your body to switch from using carbohydrates as its primary fuel source to using fat instead. The keto diet is not just about restricting carbohydrates, however. It is also important to consume a moderate amount of protein and a high amount of healthy fats. This is because your body needs protein to build and repair tissues, and healthy fats are essential for proper brain function, hormone production, and cell growth. What are the potential benefits of the keto diet? Weight loss. The keto diet has been shown to be an effective way to lose weight. When you restrict your carbohydrate intake, your body begins to burn stored fat for fuel, which can lead to significant weight loss. Improved blood sugar control. By reducing your carbohydrate intake, you can lower your blood sugar levels and improve your insulin sensitivity, which is important for people with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. Reduced inflammation. The keto diet may help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is a contributing factor to many chronic diseases. Increased energy. When your body is in a state of ketosis, it has a steady supply of energy from your stored fat, which can lead to increased energy levels and improved mental clarity. What are the potential risks of the keto diet? Nutrient deficiencies. The keto diet restricts many healthy foods, including fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which can lead to nutrient deficiencies if not carefully planned. Constipation. The keto diet can be low in fiber, which can lead to constipation in some people. Keto flu. When you first start the keto diet, you may experience flu-like symptoms, such as headaches, fatigue, and irritability, as your body adjusts to the new way of eating. Potential long-term risks. There is limited research on the long-term effects of the keto diet, and some studies have suggested that it may be associated with an increased risk of heart disease and other chronic health conditions. Tips for getting started on the keto diet. Calculate your macronutrient needs. To achieve and maintain ketosis, you will need to calculate your daily macronutrient needs based on your weight, height, and activity level. Focus on healthy fats. Choose healthy fats, such as olive oil, avocado, nuts, and seeds, and avoid unhealthy fats, such as processed vegetable oils. Limit your protein intake. Consuming too much protein can prevent your body from entering ketosis, so it is important to limit your protein intake to a moderate amount. Stay hydrated. The keto diet can be dehydrating, so it is important to drink plenty of water and electrolyte-rich fluids, such as bone broth or coconut water. In conclusion, the keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has gained popularity due to its potential health benefits, including weight loss, improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, and increased energy. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you're interested in learning more about the keto diet, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the keto diet, or any questions you may have. We'll see you in the next video.